So I bought this having not very high expectations because, you know, it's a $100 welder. But it works. It works really well, and this is my most recent weld at the moment. And I'd say that it's decently smooth. It's not too bad. You can choose your ampage here, your voltage, of course, and then you can choose what flux you're using, 0.8 or 0.9, with this choose button, it says. And yeah, and I might as well show you the inside of this welder. Hold on. Alright, so that's the inside the welder. And I was confused because I didn't know how to load it at first. But you load it through this kind of spring, and you open this, and you feed it through these rollers here. And actually, if you're ever having trouble, I realized with like wire feeding, it's probably because that's too loose. So when you turn it on and you grab your torch like this, it's gonna like choke up on you if it's too loose, because it won't be able to get through that roller there.
Not too bad for a $100 Amazon welder.
Just got my AZZUNO MIG 130F. I'll give it 5 stars, or that's not my name. This thing rocks.